Okay. Sound is good. Let's get started here with Bitcoin. Wait for a few people to join, then we'll get started here with Bitcoin. I want to talk about some altcoins that are going crazy. I know NU coin's up like 400% today, so that's pretty crazy. And the new day in crypto starts in about 2 or 3 minutes. So let's get started as more people join. Right now, Bitcoin is close to that 63K resistance. We got up to almost 60. No, we got up to about 62. It does look like we basically got to that 63K mark. I actually had a resistance at 63.7, but we are getting a small pullback from just under $63,000. If we do go down from here, we don't go test 63.7. Our next support to the downside is 57K, and there is also a little bit of support at 60K. I don't think you're going to come down to 57K. I think you'd probably get the bounce at 60K. I don't know why my 60K line is not there anymore, but you do have some support at 60K, and I would expect a bounce there. Everything's really bullish right now. Now, it is a weekend, so maybe over the weekend Bitcoin goes sideways and altcoins start moving up. That's kind of what I would expect. So I expect Bitcoin to maybe consolidate between 60 and 63K over the weekend, and then Monday it can maybe continue pumping to new all-time highs, which is about $65,000. And over the weekend, then maybe that would give a chance for altcoins to catch up a little bit, or even go crazy like NU coin. And I looked on this is another coin I like a lot, is Blockchain Monster. I got some today around $2, and then it went up to $2.70. But anyways, I looked on Coinbase Marketplace, and there was a coin on Binance that pumped 34,000 frickin' percent called Prince Floki. Now, I can't buy that because I don't use Binance, but that's ridiculous. I just wanted to show you guys that. That was kind of crazy. I thought that was interesting. But yeah, so Bitcoin, I would expect 60 to 63K this weekend, and then Monday can continue going up, and that will get you over the weekend. That will give altcoins a chance to catch up. Bond had a pretty good move over the weekend. I don't think any of you guys really care about that, but that did go parabolic today, so I'd have to redraw the fibs on that. There is support though at 30. No, where's the support? So right now, Bond coin is at the 0.76 resistance. It's actually trying to go even higher. And it got rejected basically off $50 earlier today. I would not expect this to go below 30 right now. And if it does break 30, your next support is going to be that the 0.5 fib at $28. All right, so let's go over to some coins that pump like crazy. NU coin is up 400%, and now the new day just started about 30 seconds ago. It's currently at $1.43. I'm going to, I was trading this coin around 20 cents, and I didn't hold, but it went crazy. So if you held this, if you made some money today, congrats, and maybe drop a like if you did. NU coin right now is getting stuck at that 50-cent level. If we were to say that this high at $1.80 was the high, and say you bought them here at $1.35 and wants to go higher again, just say that. I think I don't think $1.35 is going to be the low. You might get one more pump in, but I think it's going to probably consolidate back down to $1.25 possibly before it goes higher, but we'll see. The 618, if the bottom is in at $1.35, would be $1.63. So I think this can definitely go up a little bit more. But if it is done, then $1.25 is probably where you're headed. If it wants to go up more, then obviously I think that psychological resistance around $2 would be where I'd be targeting for NU coin. But if nothing else, it needs to probably consolidate in this price level for a few days before it wants to go any higher. Although I do see NU coin probably getting to $10 by the end of this bull run. So we'll see what happens there. If you guys want to see any coins, let me know. A coin that I bought today, it's on Uniswap. It's called Blockchain Monster Hunt. It's a new game that came out yesterday. And I heard about it earlier today. I bought some. I bought in at $2, went to $2.70. I made maybe it got in a little bit below $2 because I made 50% in about 30 minutes, and then it went back down. Now I'm in the red again, and I'm just going to hold this long term. But yesterday the low was about 49.87 cents, 50 cents. And today the high, where does it say that? Today the high was $2.71. So what is that, a 5-6x and 5x overnight in a day and a half? So this coin is going parabolic, and the market cap is only $19 million on Blockchain Monster. I think this can probably go crazy. It's just like Fear Coin that I've been talking about a lot. So I like both of these, and yeah, so this is a coin I'm invested in, Fear Coin and also Blockchain Monster NFT games. Both of these are NFT games, and both, yeah. So I don't know. It's only $20 $20 million market cap for Blockchain Monster, and Fearcoin is only like an $8 million market cap. So I could see easily both of these getting to a $100 million market cap easily in the next 2 to 3 months. Very easily, if not even higher than that. Bare minimum, though, a 10x on both of these projects is kind of what I'm expecting. What do I think about Shiba Inu? Well, I think Shiba Inu is going to still go back to all-time highs, but I don't love it. You know, it's already market cap's already around $10 billion. Let me go look at Shiba Inu. Market cap is already $10 billion, and I don't love it long term. I'd rather get into a project that has way more potential, like a project that has a $20 million market cap that's a little bit riskier, but that has way more upside than Shiba Inu. Because what is the Shiba Inu going to do? I mean, maybe it can 10x, from here the rest of this bull run, and that'd be $100 billion, $1 trillion market. Is that right? I don't think that. I don't know. $100 billion market cap? Yeah, that's right. It's 10 billion right now, times 10 is 100. Yeah, $100 billion market cap is not a trillion. It'd be 100 billion. That's crazy. It's also a meme coin. So I don't think, so yeah, maybe SHIB can 10x from here, but it's not going to do a 20, 30, 40x like some of these other altcoins on some of these NFT games could do. The question is for the NFT games, are they going to catch on? But as far as Shiba is concerned, you definitely can go higher here. If it wants to reverse, the 618 is still at a 30.54. That's almost all-time highs. And what is the all-time high? The all-time high, I think, is around 35 on Shiba. I could be wrong about that. Someone might have to tell me. But otherwise, I think locally, let's go down the 1 hour chart and see if the top was in. Actually, we'll do the 4 hour chart. If the top was in up here, well, we don't know where the bottom is, so that's kind of the problem. If the bottom is in here at 23.35 and you're going to go up from here, then the 618 would be at, yeah, 30, around that 30 level. So you definitely could go higher. I do think this is probably 10x's for the rest of this bull run. I just would rather buy something that has more potential. But it depends how much money you have. Although if I had a lot of money, I'd buy like Bitcoin or Ethereum or something safer like that. So I don't love it, but 10x is definitely still in the cards for Shiba. Social, I love to see it, MAK. Social NFT, I can look that up on CoinMarketCap. What's the ticker? Oh, never mind, I found it. Social NFT Marketplace is currently listed for decimal point 12306608. So that's like a hundredth or a thousandth of a penny, I think. Yeah, that's a thousand. That's like a thousandth. 66 thousandths of a penny, down 6%. The ticker's SNFT. Let me see if I can get that on TradingView. That'd be awesome. But it's going to be to wrap Ethereum, so that's kind of the only problem. And that chart looks like absolute dog crap. Oh my god, that's bad. So I don't know if I can really use that chart. Yeah. Let me see what the all-time high was compared to what it's at now. It's saying the all-time high, it's down 55%, and that was yesterday. Oh my gosh. And the all-time low was 11 hours ago, and it's up 4% since then. Well, this must either be a brand new project or... Yikes. Okay. Let me go to the 1 month chart. I don't know how long this has been out. I don't think it's a brand new project. I think it just has... I don't know what's going on. I can't really tell you much about it. What is it? Let me read the description of what this does. As a train goes by, oh my god. Social NFT is a BNB, Binance-based NFT, non-fungible token platform for social media personalities who want to create digital collectibles of their likeness. Secure with blockchain technology, Social NFT uses Binance Smart Chain. I don't know, has good potential, especially because it's NFT, but god, that the high and low, if these all-time highs and all-time lows are accurate, that's just ridiculously volatile. Yeah, market cap though, oh my god, the market cap's only $100,000. If I could buy this on Uniswap, I just put like $100 in because that's ridiculously low. But I don't think I can buy this on Uniswap. But that I mean, if market cap's only 100 grand, it can moon. It can do 1,000x overnight. I mean, maybe not overnight, but you know, in a few weeks it could. With a $100,000 market cap, that's ridiculous low. So yeah, that definitely has potential. But it's extremely risky with that low of a market cap, especially with how volatile the swings are. So be careful. How's it going, Sammy? All right, so yeah, NU is going parabolic. I put $1,000 in at 150. I know that was probably pretty stupid, but that's kind of where I did it. If I lose it, I lose it, and I'll just hodl it until the end of the bull run. Because like I said, I think NU coin goes to $10 by the end of this bull run. So even if I could get in a little bit lower than $1.50, then whatever. But if it pumps to $2 tonight, I'll probably take my profits and get out with a 25% gain. I'm not worrying about it. If it's a trade or if it's a long-term hold on NU coin, I'm not too worried about it. So yeah, that's all I got. Unless you guys want to see any other coins. You threw $50 in GDP. Is that what we were just talking about? What is GDP? You threw $50 in the coin you're talking about. What's a good one to buy now? Well, I just talked about it, and it's called. Let me just go back. Blockchain Monster Hunt. Currently at $1.91. That's and you can buy this on Uniswap. It's a NFT game that came out yesterday and has a lot of potential. Only a $19 million market cap. It's similar to Fearcoin. If you heard me talk about that, pretty volatile. It could definitely go down lower, so be careful. But it went up 5x since it came out yesterday. It came out around 50 cents. Now it's at $2. It went up to like 270 on Coin Market Cap, at least according to that. That's what it went up to. So you can buy it on Uniswap, and yeah, if you're watching me on YouTube, you can see it on CoinMarketCap and what it's called and everything. But anyways, I might make another. I think I also made a TikTok video on a quick one to at least tell you guys about it. But that's one to buy. Fearcoin, if you haven't bought that, I still think that's a good buy. If you want to do safer coins on Coinbase, I think Jasmine Coin had an absolute dip overnight. I think that's an absolute steal at 5.5 cents. I have an investment on Jasmine Coin on Coinbase from 5 cents. I also, I guess now that's 7 cents because I bought some more at 7 cents. So my average price is 6 cents. But I still think Jasmine Coin gets to at least $1 by the end of this bull run. So that's like a 10. From now, that'd be almost a 18x. I like Clover a lot. The all-time highs are around $42. That's currently sitting at $1.24. I have an investment in this one personally from $1, so I'm up 24% on that in the last 2 weeks. So I like both of those. I think both of those have a lot of potential long term. Yep, that's kind of the ones I got. Anyways, I will see you guys Monday. Hopefully Bitcoin is gonna start making new all-time highs by Monday, but I do think over the weekend Bitcoin goes sideways, and that would give altcoins a chance to run. But yeah, that's all I got. I will see you guys Monday. Until then, be safe trading, and hopefully we can all make some money over the weekend. I'll see you guys later. The second one, Jasmine and Clover Finance, CLV. Yup, I like that one a lot actually. All right, because even from $1.